Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add the Apple video scroll effect like this one, as you can see. Once you scroll, the video moves on your Shopify store completely free without using apps. That's exactly what I'm about to show you. The first thing you're going to do is navigate to Shopify dashboard. The next thing you're going to do is make sure to duplicate your theme for any customizations, not just this one. I already did. As you can see, I duplicated the theme. Then click on the three dots for the duplicated theme and click on edit code. It will open up the code editor. Then on the left menu right here, come on, load, here is, you will see this folder right here says sections. Simply click on it, then right click on the folder name sections, then click on new file. After that, make sure to name it, like for example, Apple effect, I'm gonna name it. It doesn't matter the name, what matters is the extension. Make sure to add dot after the name, dot liquid. This is very important. Then click on enter. It will create completely empty file to paste the code, and scroll down the description box. You will see a link from my website. Click on it, then it will open up this page right here. Come on, open up, here it is. So click on this icon right here to copy the code, then get back to the code editor and simply paste in the code in here, then click on save. After saving, get back and click on edit theme where we did the code, which is a duplicated one. It will open up the theme editor. After that, simply navigate where you want to add the section. Obviously, in my case, I'm going to add it on the home page. So I'm going to add it in here, click on add section, and you will see it right here, scroll video. If you don't, search for it. It's called scroll video. Click on it and a bunch of options will show up in here, as you can see, for customizing the section. The first thing is obviously the video. So I'm gonna pick the video. I already have a video suitable for this. And below the poster image, and there is a lot of scroll behavior settings. I recommend you to test it first. Keep this by default, then play with them however you want. And the full width, make sure to pick full width. And there is again a lot of customizations. This is video overlay tint, so I'm gonna add a tint overlay. In my case, I think it's black, so no need. And below is the mobile settings, because it needs a separate video for the mobile. So obviously the screen mobiles are a little bit narrow, so it needs a specific video that's a little bit narrow for the mobile. In my case, there's an option here to hide section on mobile, so I'm gonna hide it, because also it can be confusing for mobile users. And below I'm gonna add a heading. I'm gonna name it Vision Pro, and for description I'm gonna add description, and the heading I'm gonna keep it as medium. And below there is option above the video where you want to place, as you can see, the heading. I'm gonna do overlay on the video, and it should display as again on the video. And this is vertical position. If I increase it, it will go up. If I did like this, it will go down, as you can see. So I'm gonna keep it in the middle. Actually 50% is perfect, I think so, right? So I'm gonna click on save. Now let's just preview it. Click on preview. Now if I scroll down, as you can see, the video plays. If I scroll up, the video plays backward. Down, the video plays forward. Back, scroll up, the video plays backwards, as you can see. So it keep playing until the video finishes, then you can scroll down. But if you want to play the video up, if you scroll up, the video will keep playing backwards again, as you can see. And that's how you add that video effect from the Apple Store on your Shopify store, completely free and without using any apps. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.